Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products so you can make smarter purchases. Today we have an epic showdown between two treadmills that will take your fitness game to the next level. On the left, we have the Hccsport Walking Pad Treadmill, and on the right, we have the Hccsport Treadmill. Get ready for some serious treadmill talk. Let's kick things off with the price. The Hccsport Walking Pad Treadmill comes in at an impressive $249, while the Hccsport Treadmill demands a bit more attention at $469. Now, I don't know about you, but I like to save my hard-earned cash for some post-workout ice cream. So the Hccsport Walking Pad Treadmill takes the win in the price category. Now let's dive into the features. The Hccsport Walking Pad Treadmill comes with LED displays and a smart remote that allows you to track your speed distance, time, and calories burned in real time. Plus, with its powerful 2.25 HP motor, it can handle up to 286 pounds, all while operating at a whisper quiet sound level. Talk about a silent workout. On the other hand, the Hccsport Treadmill offers a 3-in-1 functionality, combining a desk treadmill, folding treadmill, and portable treadmill. It even comes with 12 different modes to suit your preferences and fitness level. And with its 3.5 HP motor and maximum speed of 8 miles per hour, you'll be sprinting towards your fitness goals in no time. Both treadmills have their unique features, but if you're looking for a compact and lightweight option with LED displays and a smart remote, the Hccsport Walking Pad Treadmill might be your perfect match. Now let's talk about design. The Hccsport Walking Pad Treadmill boasts a slim and installation-free design. It's ready to use right out of the box, and you can easily move and store it under sofas, beds, or tables. Talk about convenience. On the flip side, the Hccsport Treadmill is designed to be compact and lightweight, making it a great choice for small spaces like apartments or dorm rooms. With its folding design and built-in wheels, you can effortlessly move it from room to room. No more excuses for skipping workouts. When it comes to design, both treadmills offer their unique advantages. Whether you prioritize easy storage or portability, you'll find a winner in either the Hccsport or the Hccsport. Last but not least, let's talk performance. The Hccsport Walking Pad Treadmill provides a speed range of 0.5 to 3.8 miles per hour, perfect for walking, jogging, or running. Its wide non-slip running belt and 8 silicone shocks ensure a comfortable and joint-friendly workout experience. On the other side, the Hccsport Treadmill takes it up a notch with adjustable incline settings, allowing you to intensify your workouts. With 6 shock absorbers at the base, it provides a smooth and comfortable running experience, minimizing joint impact. So whether you're looking for a treadmill with adjustable incline or a wide non-slip running belt, both the Hccsport and the Hccsport have got you covered when it comes to performance. The Hccsport Walking Pad Treadmill is highly recommended for its convenience, sleek design, and quiet operation. On the other hand, the Hccsport Treadmill is praised for its versatility, compactness, and variety of preset programs. And there you have it, folks. The Hccsport Walking Pad Treadmill and the Hccsport Treadmill battling it out for your fitness needs. Remember, it all comes down to your personal preferences and budget. Whichever treadmill you choose, make sure to stay committed to your fitness goals. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons and smart buying tips. Until next time, stay fit and buy smart.